Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp problem in your device Samsung S23 and S23 Plus. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.